obese. I can say it on record. Say, Obi a fruit juice factory in his hometown. Go ahead.
Oh, say, no, me Obi Besia, Madame no TikTok CID. I come under your. Oh, seriously, I come under your program, but you not see say me or Honuman as see. Today, I had a chance to glance through this guy called Omega One, the program. And Uti and Sema Omo Kawa Honomo for Dr. Mahmoud Baomiawa. Sometimes ni moving a pushy to go off board. So on their channel. For them to be on that platform, and if you they had the lady there saying, say, Dr. Mahmoud Baomia, how can you say such a thing? You know, this thing I've been saying this thing to myself, say, NPP politics has never been like this. From a champion time till now. The Voice, Chreme candidate, even time Nanado Dankwa Kufuado, any Alan Tremantin contest, New Year Denkrano, who say, Obi a personal attack or na man now drop his say and can say NDC for be ebefra. The question is, who caused that thing? Who caused that thing? They say sometimes who your program on those people who come and comment, you know, profile you can see say some are even 0 followers. Say they have paved the way for those people to penetrate through us. For those people to penetrate through us, because a ban say na catch me say me no contest. Me no contest. Me na me chill nipa fanebra. It does not make sense. It does not make sense. Dr. Mahmoud Baomia, if you want to see, say someone has got a political career and ambition now, Shekwaya Dr. Mahmoud Baomia, Faso Eyede, Eyen in Yoma Sifa. And in the bet you say the man is ready for the job. The man is ready for business. Papa na I say, like, if you see Ken knows nothing about politics, and I say he knows nothing about leadership. And for we have to tell them the truth. Say, being a president of Ghana is different from being a CEO of your company. It's different from being a CEO of your company. Being a president, you are being guided by the rules and regulations and the constitution of the country. And you want me for our pay and interview and I may obey who tell you say as a president, no, you can be visiting every agency in the country for you to go and see say minister we any at post into be in meaning say you are going to cost more financial loss to the state because the kind of judgment debt will be chama amount for no, it will be unbearable. Because me find say me a minister of works and housing, waba ebia me office, unim emergency am one at that moment. Also by a mini office into where you made it. Major constitution of the country no so as you walk out, you will be impeached. What you say? You know, these people shouldn't be confused. Say, presidency and CEO no the same thing. It's never true. It is never true. Donald Trump, so how many months in ye? Munche me company baako a wasi wo e America. Munche me company baako. Ubeye na ba umia ka se ubeye president, you people need to know say enye bottom ska na de ba be your man you or mine sika na nti se uba na se resource ni on ma equipment so na be fa be sa industry ni yi na wo kan. Utionum osi entuma you become that one be employment I can say it on record say Obi a fruit juice factory in his hometown. Go and ask say fruit juice factory na ewe henfa. Fruit juice factory na ewe henfa. Who incite you to know against Dr. Mahmoud Baomia? But you this same person, you are somewhere. We have recordings, we have videos of you saying say the youth of the country they are lazy into who create employment. We come for Pakistan for Vietnam for na ba be ye adwuma ma. But and then who John say you to know to Obama, you are for them. His people are going around inciting the delegates. Say NPP by your DDJ, NPP by your man you say NPP by your man you say chairman. Maybe Kennedy Japan was the chairman of Ghana Gas. On chairman delegate for the when you chrome our employer more Ghana Gas or more opportunity for Ghana Gas. On chairman Oko Exim Bank nipa no ye CEO Exim Bank na no declare Japan echi incite grassroots say ya momo adwuma anye me do be ko ye kire ya hwe Valco Satama honorable titles Glover a CEO on no or employ grassroots bear 100 man na odi na chi mre finidi bibi jedu obaye be replace titles Glover sa 100 people no ojiom nyina di. And you think these people are not paying to vote against NPP? You think these people are not paying? Kwasi Kwarteng AO spokesperson. Kwasi Kwarteng was claiming over 20,000 Ghana cedi and son of them kwala ebe to school placement. So intimi mame
allegedly.
It's not alleged. We have
who the fuck count for just what the fuck count for? That's added.
Me allegedly ne be kan one amount.
Simple. Yeah.
So but we can say it on record, say most of the people are omudi honorable Kennedy Japan, you know. They are the same people are omutro and Sam Edman and Sam but those people were doing that thing in office. Akwaya Ken Eja and a security, ya jimu 30,000 years say the person following Kennedy Japan's wife's campaign, no, he was claiming that bribe. It was a security. So the people following him, no, like they are not doing a good job for the man.
Yeah.
And then Crawford should ask Ken say, Honorable, some time ago, way back 2022 after COVID, Oko America, Oba, you were rather inciting other aspirants say unyayanka unkwa dem common step down farmer Baumia because Baumia there no honorable e ban send na de okwa stand bi. Oma busasa question no. Oma busasa question. This man was praising Baumia left, right, center, saying say Baumia ya de nti yamma na ba so. You can tell, say, Otto are there $12 in United States. Later on, after COVID, look now the crown $21. How many percentage in their account? And so by Ghana still are sending no materiality. As of 2022, we were buying the dollar at 7 Ghana cedi, somewhere even 6 Ghana cedi.
Yeah.
You should know, say, Bibi and Kwanko Papa and Grede. So I'm telling you, I'm the United Kingdom now. Do you know how their inflation has risen up? For the past 40 years, inflation cost. That's a sneer. They are cost. Chroma say no. You will not believe it. You will not believe it. So why are you inciting the delegate over one person? And then a papa no diayo. And then a Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no diayo.
Yo.
Now me them say. Me them announce they should have collected their CVs. Or same come job CV, no me show biani experience. When it comes to governance and when it comes to government business. Government business is not like running your personal and I say your home business. It's not that. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia has the record, has the world recognition to the extent say even World Bank recognized Dr. Mahmoud Baumia as a world-class economist. Because Zimbabwe economy Dr. Mahmoud Baumia was able to stabilize their economy for them. What bank remind for years I Jumano. Chama me kasa major time ya me fans. E chabe program me cha bra
time ben.
Oh me fans e chama point ma 12 o'clock was in to the me fans say be all the time I we free no me the number be text back door.
No
problem. Why?
No problem. I did for you. Yeah, that's Gov Media also doing excellent for the Baumia campaign based in the United Kingdom. For yes, we are still on. Dr. Baumia is the most prepared candidate. Hypot. Baby, kindly come up so that when I'm closing, I'll let our mothers, Auntie Selena, and then Mama Pounds pray for you as your birthday, as you celebrated your birthday. So, baby, kindly come up. Yes, Hypot.
Yeah, where is that from where?
Yes, I don't know who you know.
Boko, maybe I should check.
Yes,
long time, make I accident in this year. Or my neighbor, a cool and buy a fisherman bottle, buy another was a limit. Where's home? We are say a cool beer or what? Nay, ye nipa, so one could equal any more. Yes, she shall marry the money pan say. One a year, some paying the form could eat a cool Mumfa summer in your day. And Yajuma and from what a wound who ye day a buyer. We are see baby sanity and your gun and coa. 777 association who's a Ghana adwamfoɔ association no mu ne akuaku a nketenkete a wɔga na nyina no they have wɔn wɔ mmara bi abobɔ ho ban so what you say na kuo te sɛ MPP yɛ wɔ mmara kama yɛ sɛ yɛ ni bi ɛdeɛ nti na yɛ mfa mmara ne yɛ adwuma what's the problem a yɛ nya ne atemdidi a ɛkɔ yɛ gu nipa ho fi nyinaa I will not blame anybody the leadership at the headquarters the national executive case closed. So national executive the Nancy firm say yeah internal campaign. These are the benchmarks. Untumi nka saa sɛ mo mfentie bia Dr. Bamia yere ana Dr. Bamia bia Dr. Bamia nkrofo untumi nka saa sɛ mo mfentia Honorable Ken ana Honorable Brian ana Honorable Educhu ana mo akeka ho. Na mo de mo Nancy firm na sɛ obi ebu saa mara ne so na sɛ mo sanction na obi a no be kwa akoye saa de ne biu no kra ba ko pe ba ma jade na ye den agum na ye di papa ya tem me I've never seen Dr. Bamia standing on any platform anywhere and as an yere say odi 7 producer Honorable Ken atem Brian atem and one Dabida so what you say but so Honorable otumi ka asem bi na titafo no omtumi ka asem ya enti the executive at the headquarters no ombeso mkasa sa ansem yakoshi are they not aware?
But initially Secretary Rebecca said because of the climate or party no for now almost sanction obia but after 31st January that's when they will start applying the rules. That's what the secretary said some time ago.
Do you want to move sa omo da want to medium ka anopa me me cruise bia di nkomo obetu di ba me atem.
So why is it if you are not going to report her? So why is it Abronya there?
Abronya. Any asem.
Exactly. Asem America ni.
Why is taking Abronya on?
Oh, pick and choose. Ebini. Oh, but boys, MPP they have a history, and the history will repeat itself. Case closed. Dr. Bamia is going to win the election, and he will win it one touch. There's a history, and the history will repeat itself. And the name of Dr. Bamia has created mental image in the minds of people already. Don't joke with MPP full soldiers and supporters and they know what they want. They know. They know. I know them. I said they know. But I'm telling you, they'll push you aside if they don't want you. Enti abane de obetuma ko di Salmira tem opa ko gina TV so ready so di Dr. Bamia sama na de obua yeto abana the man is going to win.
Right.
Edaho enti no yemfa mpa bonta doctor chi na Nyankopon enkoso ama no nyansa ne nimdie ne abotre ne akoma pa o de wo party ni mu awurade ankoso na me say doctor be di party ni mu a o de discipline ne hyehyɛ pa be to akwamu ama Nyankopon ya adoma aboa Ghana for any before you. They will see their submitted level in January 31st. Thank you, my brother.
Yeah. Me that say hi pot. Yeah. Aunt Selena, good evening.
Good evening, the voice in Bashana to say.
Yes, I don't mean who you are now as well.
I did more. Thank you so much for opportunity. Now, I did can say. And paying for crowd was sending Pamama who me say you can say politics is a dirty game man. Me just say me I tell them me you must me because I tell you who question baby but the way you see the talk about me atamu pa yankopon ani mu kure ni so we will be a the MPP atwa wo funu ma we ma we you must wankasa na wo sa ho say ye free ni fa na eduru here because me the minim say be at TikTok yi ba you be atimi keka na dwuni ana amatem didie na do so sa na yemu say ye ho sa atem didie ni so start free he fa yemu say ye ho ye papa ka de atimi begina platforms so atimi begina in the radio station atimi bi na local semo ye nkwafia ho every people ye jimi fo I don't even know why I belongs to this party. Yeah, why MPP for the difference between MPP and NDC is saying MPP for ya no nye ya. Ye ni dia temba basa. En se be koso nyina afiri ye papa Kennedy ana ama santem di we nyina aba. Because abra wo no ye panyini. Ebetime kire wo di MPP for atam no. Ye nyina so se bi obi a wo pain no. Me ba ma wo no kwa wo nya 21 years no. Betime gya me bani e ka kire so ye kwase a. Nenso nkofo ma se bi enye wo ne nkola na ekasa wo ne mpanyinfo na ekasa. Hwe doka ma wo de ba omia. Onyankopon be hira papa no. Nyame hira na.
Amen.
Yeah, doka ma wo de ba omia o. Now I thank God to say he's a very, very educated person. Because in Canada, all about me, only a very educated person. And we are very humble and I'm say now. I can't people judge them. I'm telling you. I can judge them. Because it's the way I can the year to abano. A quaya what the MPP for fast so. Mr. Kennedy, Yakupo be pan the sama. Kennedy can never be a president in Ghana. I'm telling you. Because Bible says, "Who my young point, chunk, and penny for say, and Yanko pass and class or say to Sukuru, Susuma Uniamo, and then the Radimus Swamawo. A quiet Kennedy MPP for, he said, Papa year to Abba. Ne ensure talk, ne Papa Jinamoon. I didn't know for one year because of Kennedy. Ghana for and the Papa be ya. Me say Kennedy, what 2 people. Let's say a mistake, you got to abandon Kennedy. And MPP, that's the end of MPP. That will be the end. Because the local father Nyama were here, you know, the boys. Look at if you will campaign now, would ye. Again, because since some work a even Kwame a plus crown, a quiet woo Kennedy, a quiet woody, I'm a plus a parliamentary. You can be another MP, you can be another would you know why or who did us? What I know who will walk, what I know who snake, and who would the MPP for what memory and pass some will castle be able to lose Yamo, Lucy. Now, what will lose? Who person will be the president? I'm telling you, because I say a German and no kufa do ye no, and no one no casenti, Ghana for one, and if your education the eye, and the woman can see, and then ye need be airport nephew, and then qualify your job of 50,000, 1,000, or be what my ministers can be. But who per se, a Jimmy Fono, and got to Abamau. It will never happen. Me nem can it go visit Jimmy dia. Miss will be and go ye MPP ni mapa. I'll have to abano. I'm not Kennedy da. Miss when you be da, Miss Rima be safe first. No pe Kennedy as some pa. Na and then no, Miss Samson, Mamma, so you can say, you for Kennedy drew a mamma or go not to him. I didn't see. Who are you? Kennedy obey New York, this last week. Minim call for more Virginia Kobe. Me proud catch him, Selina. This guy can never be a president because office wouldn't be PR. Office wouldn't be. And I'm saying, if you will catch him, some me, I won't go. No, the New York or buy, you know, what the way I will see Casamo. Or you're very proud. So what I'm not saying. He is the only man in this world. Me say Bible so see hand time for pine. Na o ma ho brase for so. Me ka che Yankopon say, omo de taba o mi ho ban. Omo wone na yire ho ban. Na me say sedi wa me aka no, enipa bie do betimi asesa. Dr. Bawumia na ho brase. Obeba ba be president. Na me ka che Kennedy nkofo no say. Mo dia mo toto mo pana mo nko. Na mo be hie difo. Na me ka mo mate ase say. Yankopon a o ma David, etimi ku go react no. Onyankopon edi Bawumia. Wo de Kennedy be hye ne nsa ma Kennedy beba be bu ne Bawumia nim kotudwe apa ne chew. Se nya ye tia se Yankopon tia se Yankopon. We shall all see. Thank you so much.
Yo. Me da se ati na pacho enko wai na kakra na bompa ya ma ye moderator baby my enti me we are now bumpire. Only mama pass, I'm bumpire man, mommy. You all right? Or therefore, can you come in reactions? No?